Today we're going to search for some water bears. I always seem to have better luck finding them in lichen rather than in moss. I have tons of it on my backyard fence. You'll want to soak the gathered material in distilled water for around 12 to 24 hours. After that, squeeze it into a fresh dish. I transfer the water into a tube-shaped container with a pipette so everything is concentrated in one area at the bottom. You'll want to let it sit for at least 10 minutes for everything to settle. It took a few slides of nematodes and rotifer, but I eventually found one. I transferred it onto another slide so there was less debris in the way. This was a super tedious process, but the end result is definitely worth it. It also looks like this one may be having babies soon. If you didn't know, water bears are also referred to as moss piglets and tardigrades. They're one of the smallest living animals on Earth. Their size can range anywhere from 0.05 to 1.2 millimeters, though they rarely get bigger than 1 millimeter. So they are microscopic, but I have a video where I showed one from my camera's point of view and it could easily be seen with the naked eye. They're famously known for being extremely durable or even immortal. Though this is true, it's only when water bears are in a state of cryptobiosis, which allows them to survive in almost any condition, including the vacuum of space. These are one of my favorite microbes to observe, and I always get excited seeing one. Just look at it kicking its little legs in the water with its micro claws. If I'm able to keep this one alive, I'll try to film the baby tardigrades hatching. As always, thank you for tuning in, and let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comments below.